Honey, I was finna get it. I'm thinking it's about to be fly. I have very high hopes for this wig. I'm late to the party. Cause really, y'all should have pulled my coattail to melted hairline a long time ago. Ooh, 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 ooh. It's over with. This how we coming at it? Y'all ain't even do nothing to it yet. That's how we gonna take care of that. Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slate today.
Hey.
Coming to you with a slate today.
Let the church say subscribe.
Hi everyone, hello. Please forgive my messy puffs. They're just up there until I put this wig on. That's how we gonna take care of that. So I found another wig on Amazon and I'm thinking it's about to be fly. I have very high hopes for this wig. My alarm notification notificated. Okay. Neighbors walking the dogs. Okay. That thing notificates. Okay. And I check. Now. So I'm about to see what this wig looking like. I think it's gonna be cute. I feel like this wig is about to be so cute that I considered purchasing this wig in a blonde color. Yeah, I was feeling ignorant on top of ignorant. Okay, but then, I drew back from it, and I was like, Mary, I'm gonna need you to calm down because. So I came off of it a little bit. And I think I got like a brown color or something like that. But let me just tell you about this wig and let's get into it. This wig is from Outre and it's from their Melted Hairline line. And this is Miss Kamalia. Miss Kamalia looks like a baddie and I'm hoping that she is. And I have DR2 Ginger Brown. Bam! We got some package sauce. Package sauce. Drip. Hey, that's how she's coming with it. And let me just see, cause you know, honey, they had these packages in these little boxes, Chad. Come on. Y'all, that's the color that I was gonna get. I ain't lying. Honey, I was finna get it. This is Miss Kamalia. This color right here is giving what it's supposed to give, okay? This is the inside. Let me show you the cap. Now, I have reviewed a lot of wigs from the Melted Hairline line. The construction does not change, you guys. We have 2 combs off to the side with pride. We have one off in the bike. We have your adjustable strap, bam, and the elastic. The elastic is not adjustable. It just is. It's just over there. Okay, it may fit appropriately for some people and it may not for others. That's just where we are with that. If you don't want it there, you're gonna have to cut it off because it's not removable. Okay, I want to show y'all this part. The part is nice. It is a curved part. I may curve it even more. I don't know. 5-inch deep parting. Now 5-inch is a nice part because 4 inches is the standard. So 5 inches, an extra inch for our pinch. However, it's not as good as 6 inches, okay? Because I like my parts to be back. Y'all already know what time it is. Back. Like hairlines and cross colors. Back. That's how I like my parts, okay? Moses parts. You hear me? Do you understand where I'm coming from? When I do wigs from this hairline, I usually have to tint the lace, so I'm going to do that today. I got a little vision for this wig. Hold on, y'all. I'm going to just throw it on real quick and get a feel for it. You know you have to do that now. You know that, don't you? Everybody want to rule the world, child. I don't. I sure don't. I don't. You think I do, but I don't. You think I do, but I don't. Now, let me just go. Ooh. Your back comb should be right in the back, in the middle. Bam. That'll let you know if you're on track or not. Let's pull this down. Honey, this is a nice fit. Ooh. This how we coming at it? Y'all ain't even do nothing to it yet. I didn't do it. I'm late to the party because really y'all should have pulled my coattail to melted hairline a long time ago. If you really want to be honest, y'all should have pulled my coattail to it. Somebody should have pulled my coattail to it a long time ago. My coattail should have had been pulled to this melted hairline line. Yeah, I like this. It's long now. So it's not like overbearingly long, but it's long. It's not a short wig. But I love this. I love how it feels. Synthetic, but it's not Barbie synthetic. This is the good synthetic, okay? Because there's levels to it. Y'all know that, don't you? There's levels to synthetic. So you have to determine what level is satisfactory for you in your life. I'm about to do this wig. I'm going to work on the part. I'm going to probably put some heat off up in here in the top. I'm really going to customize it, you guys. I know a lot of times you guys ask me to do the least amount of customization because you know you want a nice throw on and go, and I totally get that. And believe me, you could cut this lace and go. This is fitting rather lovely. So you can cut this lace and go, y'all. I want you to know that. But for those cousins who want to take baby steps into customization, I'm gonna show you a few things you can do to turn a 9 into a 10.5. You see where I'm at with it? You understand? There are things you could do. Just stay tuned for the finished product. Hit that subscribe button so you can join the family, join the fun. But don't go anywhere because we finna style this, baby. Hey, we about to style this. I have a feeling I'm gonna like it. I'm ready to do this. I'm ready to do it. do it. Do it. I'm finna do it now. I'll just stop right there. These are level 1 customizations that I'm about to do, okay? And I want y'all to practice. Let's go ahead and get it popping. Let's get it popping like Chris Brown said. Ooh. It's over with. Let's do it.